Hello dear YouTube viewer, welcome back to the Engineer 360 YouTube channel by Tufail Ahmad. In this video tutorial I am going to solve the student problem. Here the student problem number 1 is, this is a right angle triangle and this triangle having inside a square. The problem is that how to find out the side length of the square. Dear YouTube viewer, I already solved the student problem number 1 and the link of student problem number 1 are given below in the description box. Now to solve the student problem number 2, this is a triangle and this triangle having a circle inside and we need to find out the diameter of a circle. Dear YouTube viewer, if you are new on this channel and you like my video, please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon for more civil engineer updates. In the student problem number 2, this is a triangle. The side length of this triangle A is 56 feet, B is 30 feet and C is 46 feet. And this triangle having a circle inside and we need to find out the diameter of a circle. First we need to find out the perimeter of a triangle. Here P is equal to A plus B plus C. Here A is 56 feet, B is 30 feet and C is 46 feet. Do some mathematics and we obtain the perimeter of a triangle and it is 132 feet. Divide by 2 and we obtain the average perimeter and that is 66 feet. Now we need to find out the radius of a circle. Here R equal to P minus A into P minus B into P minus C under the root divided by P. We have all these data put in this formula and do some mathematics and we obtain the radius of a circle and it is 10.44 feet. Now diameter of a circle that is equal to 2 into r. We know the value of r and it is 10.44. Do some mathematics and we obtain the dia of a circle. This is the dia of a circle and it is 20.88 feet. And this is the solution of student problem number 2. Dear viewer, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon for more civil engineering updates. Thank you for watching Engineer 360 YouTube channel.